Today is exactly day 14.
Yeah.
This is the case of male pattern hair loss level 6. He have lost the hair around here. This is called the lateral hump. We have decided to come up with a good design like what he wanted. From here to here is roughly about 7 centimeters, and we fill up the graph over here. We maintain a very good density at this area. Similarly there, and here slightly more high density. This is called the fall off here. As we're going behind, somewhere around here, we space out a bit the density so that we're able to reach to the mid scalp. We fill up some in the crown too. So we try to fill up from here to here, and he still have some existing hair. We are hoping that some good response with our medication and protocol so that the existing hair will grow too.
Yes, it's a day 14 and I'm very happy, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for your cooperation.